Hey everybody, my name is Serge and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with this YouTube channel, hit this link up above on the right hand corner of the screen so you're up to date to the most recent video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below as we enter in this new 2023 journey here on YouTube, as the goal is to post at least one video a week all throughout this year. I mean, it's about the small wins, am I right? And today, what we're doing is just installing a cosmetic piece to my Subaru WRX. Nothing crazy, but you know, it has to be carbon fiber. Now let's get to it. All right, you guys, if you have watched the most up-to-date video on the Subaru, I did a quick walk around of what I have added onto the car and or what is already onto the car. So by now you should see something that's pretty different, and if not, it's okay. We're about to show you right now, and it is right here, these carbon fiber fender caps. And no, they are not from Sabon. This is actually from GoGoCarbon. Shout out to them. They had provided me a discount code on Amazon. Yes, they sell on Amazon, but they are 100% true carbon fiber. Now, the difference between Sabon and them, Sabon does a full replacement. Compared to them, they are just caps with supported 3M on the backside, and these are two separate pieces here. Now, one thing I love completely is that the carbon weave matches. Now, if they were separate, I would be a little iffy on that, but the fact that they match is so amazing. The quality when installing them, no, unfortunately I didn't put a video up there in regards to installing them. Super easy though. They just have their standard 3M on the back, but I had to kind of take them off and apply my own 3M because it wasn't strong enough. Alright, sorry about that. A car was playing music and I don't want to get a red flag from YouTube. So back to this, and they're still playing their music, but it's okay at this point. So again, I had to apply my own 3M on the back of these because their stock or OEM 3M on the back of these caps were not strong enough. So I'd highly suggest just replacing the 3M with your own. Again, you know, heat it up prior to applying it onto your car, and then heat it up again after you apply to it, as simple as a hair dryer if you do not have a heat gun. So it is on both sides of my car, which I'll show you real quick. It is on that side and on this side. Again, that same setup. Now, the only discrepancy I have on this right now is that they leave a light millimeter gap that you could see the stock paint of the car, which if this were to be just pushed out just a tiny bit, I would love this 100%. Right now I'm like 99.9. Now, if I were to shift this over, then you would end up seeing the white or the paint on the inside, which I wouldn't have loved any more than seeing it on the outside. But for a product that is half the price and still 100% true carbon, and it has the same weave, you can't go wrong with this product. Again, they're not paying me to say this. I am just creating the content, and I just want you guys to be informed that there are cheaper solutions and exact same quality in regards to getting this fender setup. So again, this product is from GoGoCarbon. They're not paying me to say this. This is just me creating content right here. I just truly love the product. They are half the price of Sabon. So if you wanted to get Sabon, then sure, pay 500 bucks or pay the 300 and get two pieces that are true 100% carbon fiber and still make your car look really, really nice. I mean, like from here, you could even tell. You couldn't even tell. So the fact that I have this on my car, it's still completing the carbon fiber look that I'm going for. And yeah, all right, before my camera dies, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, watching what I just got on my car. More to come on that. And again, please subscribe down below. It means a lot, helps a lot. And remember, our goal is to at least post one video each and every single week of this year. Again, it's about the small wins, the small goals, the small achievements, and how we just grow and grow all together. I hope you all are having a safe, healthy, and most importantly, blessed day. Again, my name is Serge, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And look who came after her little shift, playing some putt shack in Phoenix. Want to go on a little walk. That's my family right there. Oh, what you doing? All right.